In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Google Ads to your Shopify store. If you're looking to increase your store's visibility and reach a larger audience, integrating Google Ads is a fantastic way to accomplish that. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by heading over to the Google Ads homepage. This is where you'll be managing all your ads and campaigns. Simply open your preferred web browser and navigate to the site. Once there, you should see a button that says Sign In at the top right corner of the page. Click on it. This will prompt you to enter your login credentials. Make sure you use the account associated with your Shopify store to ensure everything links up correctly. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the Google Ads homepage. This is your control center where you can view all your active campaigns, analyze your ad performance, and more. Now look towards the top of the page for a menu entitled Tools. Click on that to reveal a drop-down menu with a variety of options. From this list, you'll select Data Manager. This area is crucial because it's where you'll set up connections between your Google Ads account and external platforms, like Shopify. Now within the Data Manager, look for the Shopify option and click on it. You're probably wondering why we're selecting Shopify specifically. The reason is that this integration is particularly designed to streamline the process of uploading your product catalog to Google Ads, helping you target potential customers more effectively. If at any point you find yourself unsure, remember, Google offers extensive help tutorials right within its platform, so don't hesitate to explore those resources. They can be particularly useful if you encounter any issues unique to your setup or account. This integration doesn't just end at connecting your accounts. Once linked, you can import data between platforms, optimize your ads more effectively, and gain deeper insights into customer behaviors. This will not only save you time, but also potentially increase your return on investment by targeting the right audience with precision. And there you have it, folks. In just a few simple steps, you've linked your Google Ads account to your Shopify store. Now you're all set to create targeted ad campaigns that can help drive traffic and potentially increase sales. Thanks for joining me today, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more practical tutorials like this one. Happy selling!